In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the games database on chess.com. First, open your preferred web browser and go to chess.com. You don't need to sign in just to follow along with this navigation, but being logged in won't hurt either. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to let everything finish rendering so the top menu appears clearly. Next, look at the navigation bar across the top of the page. You'll see several main sections like Play, Puzzles, Learn, and Watch. Toward the right side of that row, click on the option labeled More. This opens a drop-down menu with additional tools and resources that don't fit into the primary categories. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see more, try maximizing your browser or zooming out slightly so the full navigation becomes visible. With the More menu open, move your mouse pointer to the section labeled Others. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over it. Hovering tells the site you want to explore that category, and it will reveal the items grouped under it. If hovering doesn't seem to work right away, pause for a second over the word and make sure the menu hasn't collapsed. Sometimes moving the mouse too quickly can close the drop-down. From there, find and click on Games Database. That selection will take you to chess.com's collection of historical and instructive games. This area is designed to help you explore how real games have unfolded across different eras, players, and opening ideas. It's great for studying common plans, typical middle game themes, and practical endgame conversions, all built from positions that were actually played. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. You'll usually see ways to browse games by opening families, notable players, or specific positions. You can scan through results to spot patterns, compare how different players handle the same structure, and watch how advantages are converted. It's a powerful reference when you want more than just theory. You want real examples. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Chess.com updates its design from time to time, and some options might shift slightly within the menus. If you're on a mobile device, the More menu may be tucked behind an icon, and hovering isn't available. This feature is easiest to access on a desktop browser. A quick switch to a laptop or desktop can make the process smoother. That's all there is to it. Chess.com, click More, hover over Others, and click Games Database. Enjoy exploring and happy studying.